Greetings, this is Andrea and Marah from Myrrh FrankinSCENTS. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video. Please help us as we are on our road to 100 subscribers. Like and share the video with friends and family, and please subscribe. So, as business owners, we have to label pretty much everything. And I got so tired of driving from store to store, trying to find different labels to label my products with in the various sizes, because they were always out of the size that I needed. And so a few years ago, I was actually turned on to a really great company. I'm not sponsored by them. I would love to be, but I'm not sponsored by them. But I just wanted to really share this resource because you always need a good label. So the name of the company is onlinelabels.com, and they pretty much have labels in every shape, every size, every format, whether you want to have them print them as custom labels, but I always use the blank labels so I can print my product labels however I want. And even if I decide to discontinue a product or I change a product, I won't have a whole lot of very expensive labels kind of laying around. So I love their blank labels. So let me just kind of show you what they have. So always look at the blank labels. You can shop by size, you can shop by the material type that you want it made out of, or you can see what they recommend for your product type. Let's go ahead and look at size. And they fit a standard printer. They offer two different types for inkjet and for laser printers. And I still have my inkjet printer, and I don't have any feeding issues. Everything works really well, and they take the ink really well, and I don't have to worry about bleeding or running, or they're just really high quality labels. And as you can see, they have full sheet stickers where you can kind of customize your labels and cut them out yourself, or you can get the pre-stamped labels in all different shapes and sizes, from really tiny labels all the way to the large labels. So here's some really tiny ones, all the way to the full sheet labels. So let's just do a quick search for, let's say if I need a 1x3 label. And even if they don't have it, you can get pretty close. Alright. Doesn't seem like they have one exactly 1x3, but they do have this 1x2.6 label, or let's look at the 2x4 labels. And they also have a, where is it? They have a label printing software where you can, a label design software available right online, Maestro Label Designer. I've actually used it before to kind of make some of my label designs, but I choose to use my own programs for it instead, so that way I can just have the files on my computer without having to be hooked up to the internet. But it is a very easy to use and a very nice label designer. But let's go back. So you can see the labels. They come in these really nice protective clamshells. And so again, any label can be custom printed, or you can just purchase the blank labels. And they have several different types of paper. You have the standard paper, gloss, weatherproof, which are my favorite labels. There's recycled paper. They have white gloss and clear gloss. They also have gold foil, silver foil. They have void labels. They have all different types of colors. And every label pattern that you see is available in every single one of these options. So you are not limited in your designing. Shipping is very reasonable, and you can see how, depending on how many you order, how many sheets, the price will change. Where is it? Oh, I didn't select a type. Let's look at the standard labels. If you get 10 sheets, it's $5.56 a sheet. But if you decide to order in bulk, and maybe you get 50, let's see, 50. You can set any quantity, and it drops down to just 24 cents a label, and you pay $12. So the pricing is really reasonable. Now, the more custom paper types will be a little more expensive, but again, I just wanted to introduce you to onlinelabels.com for your labeling needs if you're having trouble trying to find the right size labels for your product or your project. With that, peace and blessings, and stay sensational.